closer. You like how I carved it for you? What do you think? Eating the seeds. Chester's eating the seeds on the inside. You like it? What's in it, Chess? You got a seed. You got a seed. Did you get a seed, Chess? Yum yum. You got the Halloween? You like the Halloween face the way I carved it for you? Yum yum. I carved it for you, baby. Yes.
Hello?
I carved it for you. You like it? Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad you like it.